HBO Max review. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's explore whether HBO is still worth streaming or not. So first, let's discuss the positives. And the biggest positive of HBO Max is that there is good volume of content on it. Like, it is one of the oldest streaming service out there, and you can find a good amount of content on it from almost every genre out there. And you can even find one of the oldest shows on it. The classic shows changes the game over here because most of the streaming platforms out there might not have these classic shows, and if ads don't bother you, then this platform is going to be a boon for you, and you would enjoy watching movies and other shows on it, because the amount of movies that you can see on this platform is way more than any other platform. So it would be better for you if you subscribe for it, for the amount and the volume of the shows that you would want to watch. And as for the pricing, it starts from $9.99 per month, but there are some ads and you get to stream on 2 devices at once, and it is going to be full HD video resolution. Though the quality might be a little low on some shows, but for the $15.99 plan, you can get ad-free experience and 2 devices and also 30 downloads to watch. And there's also one more plan which is around $19.99, and it is the ultimate ad-free. You can also watch the movies and shows in 4K Ultra HD, and the sound is also better, and the number of downloads has also increased in this plan. But there are some negatives of this platform as well. As per the survey in the market, I got to know that it is quite hard to switch between episodes when you are watching a TV series, and this sometimes can get annoying. Also, some people claim that it is better to watch the cartoons on YouTube than watching it on HBO Max because the quality is way better on YouTube channels. So if you are going to subscribe this particular platform only for cartoons, then it's better to search the cartoons on YouTube first. If you don't like them, then maybe you can just try out HBO Max for the cartoons. And also, some people claim that Discovery has ruined this particular platform, as some of the shows has been delisted from this platform, and the amount or the volume of shows is decreasing day by day, or it is getting behind the paywall. So the future of HBO Max might not be as similar to its past. So it's all up to you whether you want to go for it or not. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.